Across England, 433,000 people had the virus last week. That's up from 336,000 the week before. And it works out at 1 in every 130 people being infected. But there are big regional variations. In the southwest, it's about 1 in 300. In the northwest, it's 1 in 59. That's one person on every busload. Other data suggests the official R number is down marginally on last week to somewhere between 1.2 and 1.4, suggesting the epidemic is still increasing, but a little more slowly. And one senior scientist warns more restrictions